For the first time this season, Makhumalo is being praised by fans, and if you want to find out why, then watch this video till the end. I will say this even next week when another episode of Thando Nesembo airs. Guys, my favorite wife of all the Msele wives is Mayeni. I love her calmness and the way that she deals with things. Also, her diary sessions are always fun to watch. So, as much as I love Mayeni, I also believe that Makhumalo is the best wife in the system with thing, and it appears that most of the fans agree with me on this one. A lot of fans on social media were triggered by what Makhumalo did for herself and her husband Msele on his birthday. I mean, I could be wrong, but if I'm not mistaken, on the last episode of season 6, Makhumalo organized Msele's birthday party that was held at Mangwabe's Lonje Makaka. She was the one who was encouraging other wives to organize a party for Musa. So, she did the same thing this season and organized a family trip alone this time to celebrate her husband's birthday. For the fact that she managed to organize this trip alone for her husband while there are 3 more wives in her marriage speaks tons about her, and that is the first reason why she's being praised by fans of Thando Nesembo. Secondly, as much as she lacks ability to read the room, but Makhumalo is the only wife in this whole family who has tried to keep the family united. Yes, she could be pretending to be seeking unity, but what is important is that she's doing something, unlike other wives. Even Musa Mselego, he's always telling us that Makhumalo is the one who helped him to build the physical structure of the Mselego home, and she did that alone while there are 2 other wives before her. On this week's episode, Makhumalo celebrated her new car with Mangwabe and 2 of his sisters. After the celebration, social media was buzzing, talking about Makhumalo's success. I don't really know how rich other Msele wives are, but by the look of things, Utobe is the most hardworking wife in the family. She proved that the last season when she upgraded her bedroom and made it to look like a 5-star hotel. And in this season, without Musa's help, she bought herself a brand new BMW. So, if you're wondering why Makhumalo was trending, those are the reasons. So please comment in the comment section and share your thoughts regarding this topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.